Gansu Construction Company Investment Holdings was awarded a tender to construct a school hostel at Simanya Combined School. The project, which started in 2022, was handed over to the Directorate of Education in 2024. The contractor is now ready to vacate the site after the 2-year maintenance period lapse. The company leaves the site to the school.
So now what we have here in Simanya is our Chinese campsite. So before we go, we want to leave our campsite also to the school for their future operation. You see, they also have some of the teachers staying at the bungalow over there, which are made by the stones and the mud.
The school also received the remaining building materials as donation. The new structures will assist with accommodating some of the school teachers who previously were housed in corrugated iron sheet structures. Director of Planning in the Kavango West region, Egidius Nambara, spoke on the significance of the Chinese government's contribution to the school.
You know, Kavango West is a more rural region. The two schools are in rural areas. Obviously, learners walk long distances from their houses to school. So the construction of the hostels also helps to reduce the burden of walking long distances. Especially during rainy season, it's a challenge. They walk in the rain, heavy rains. During winter, they have to walk in the cold, some close to 10, 12, 15 kilometers to the nearest school.
Simanya Combined School has a total of 21 teachers. Elizabeth Mwengo, NBC News, Simanya.